What's up, Mavericks? If you've ever shopped for credit card processing services, you know how hard it is to find a reputable provider that offers transparent pricing, doesn't try to scam you, doesn't try to lock you into a contract. It's literally like going onto a used car lot and trying to find the best car on the lot, or at least the one that has the least amount of problems. But today I'm gonna help you weed through all of that. I'm gonna give you my top picks based on my expertise and the research that I've done and our in-house experts have done. And those picks are based on factors like affordability, contract length, features, customer service, reputation, and reliability. And unlike other review sites and videos, we don't pump a product just because we're getting paid for it. We genuinely believe in it. We actually did the research behind it. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video when I give you my number one pick. The list is going to be in descending order, but first up, I want to give a bonus pick for all of my high-risk businesses. You know who you are: cannabis, credit repair, adult, whatever, right? The ones that can't get placed that other credit card processors don't want to accept. The best option for you is PaymentCloud. PaymentCloud takes on all of the high risk, hard to place businesses. They can get it done, and they have an excellent reputation in the business as being a great processor. Even the other low risk credit card processors that we work with in the industry send all of their high risk deals to PaymentCloud. So they're solid, definitely trustworthy. And beyond in-person and online payments, they also offer mobile payments, ACH wire transfers, e-checks, and QR code payments, in addition to a bunch of payment integrations for all of you e-commerce websites and a virtual terminal if you need to accept credit cards on the phone or whatnot. They don't disclose their pricing on their website because it's highly variable and customized to your exact needs, but they're generally less expensive than other high-risk processors that I've seen in the industry. They don't try to gouge you. They don't have an application or a setup fee, and they're very transparent and honest with the way that they deal with their pricing. Again, PaymentCloud is great for high-risk e-commerce or high-volume mobile businesses. If you were looking for a low-risk credit card processor, then you might want to stick around for the other 10 that I have to show you. Obviously, we have a relationship with PaymentCloud and would help us out. You can click the link in the description below or the link up here. Number 10 on the list is Clover. With its sleek hardware and latest payment technology, wireless connectivity, color touchscreen, a large app marketplace to expand to, and obviously basic credit card processing services, Clover supports e-checks, EBT, QR code payments for restaurants. Its pricing is very simple and flat rate, 2.3% plus 10 cents per transaction. They have very reasonable monthly fees, starting at $0 a month for a basic plan, and then upgrading depending on your needs. The good thing about Clover is that it's sold by various other resellers, whether they're low risk or high risk, but the flat rate prices that I mentioned are from Clover direct, not a reseller. So you have to go direct to Clover if you want to get that 2.3% plus 10 cents a transaction. A lot of these resellers have the ability to set their own pricing and contract terms. So you really want to make sure that you get with a reseller, if you're going with a reseller that is reputable, and I have a bunch of them listed for you later. Clover is best for any type of business really that needs inventory management, tipping, tableside ordering, like restaurants, small retailers, or small grocery stores. Service businesses, gyms, and spas would also do well with Clover. Overall, great pick with nice hardware, great options, great app integrations. They're a solid choice. Number 9 is Chase Payment Solutions. Generally, large banks are awful credit card processors and they have really horrible terms, but Chase is one of the exceptions to that rule. They really offer small business-friendly terms like month-to-month contracts, flat rate pricing, and low fees. They also offer next-day funding for Chase account holders. So if you bank with Chase, you get your money the next day. It's surprisingly a good deal for a big bank like that, honestly. It's very similar to Square. They have a very standard plan. You can purchase your hardware outright. No long-term commitment, no early termination fee. Again, great for Chase business account holders. You can go to their website directly to check out pricing or click the link in the description below. That'll take you to their website. Number 8 is National Processing. So you know how I mentioned the Clover resellers earlier? National Processing is one of the best Clover resellers out there. They have month-to-month flat rate pricing. They also offer a cash discount plan if you want to pass on your merchant costs to your customer. They also offer excellent customer service. They have 3 different pricing plans from basic to advanced, but all of it is flat rate pricing unless you process over $30,000 a month. in which you can get custom pricing from them. And they have very flexible offerings for both low volume or high volume businesses, brick and mortar or online. They even accept high risk businesses, honestly. So very flexible, very adaptable to your business needs, great flat rate pricing, great customer service, another solid choice. If you want to get started with national processing, click the link in the description below, or click the link up here. Next up is Stripe, one of the most advanced customizable solutions, best for e-commerce sites without premium pricing, but it's also great for in-app payments. So all of you developers, Stripe was really built for you. Has an extensive software developer kit to help integrate payments into your apps, exceptional subscription functionality for a lot of SaaS businesses that run subscription models. They offer multi-currency support, so for international payments. They also offer ACH processing on every account, and they have an instant payout option. Again, no monthly fee for their basic plan and no contract with no early termination fee, which is what we're looking for. They offer flat rate pricing for in-person or online transactions and various other flat fees on ACH or international payments, depending on what you need. Again, great for e-commerce businesses with developer needs like in-app payments, great for omni-channel retailers, in-person or online, doesn't matter. Great for SaaS subscription businesses and international merchants, but ideally best for lower volume, lower risk businesses. If you're high risk, you're going to want to check out PaymentCloud that I mentioned earlier. All right, number 6 is CDGcommerce. They are literally the most transparent, flexible credit card processor that I've seen. They have literally the most transparent and flexible pricing plans out there. An online application for quick onboarding. They are definitely geared more towards e-commerce, but they also offer in-person retail payments as well. Customer service is top-notch, which is obviously very important in this space, and their pricing depends on your volume, but they offer flat rate pricing with no monthly fee. They offer Interchange-plus pricing, and if you don't know what that is, I'll link to a blog post below to give you a little bit more information about what Interchange-plus pricing is. They also offer membership pricing, no long-term contract, no early termination fee, but better for newer online retailers, some high-risk businesses, but US-based businesses only. Number 5 is Square, probably the most simple online sign-up process I've ever seen. No recurring fees, no long-term contract, month to month, you can leave whenever you want. It's the easiest and most affordable payment processor out there. Great for new small businesses, whether you're retail, restaurant, or service, where you want to begin accepting credit cards and you haven't done so in the past. Although Square is better for lower volume businesses because their flat rate pricing tends to not scale well, they also offer a secret custom pricing plan for businesses that process over $250,000 a year. So if you're in that camp, make sure you reach out to them to get custom pricing. Their product lineup covers all the bases, retail, restaurant, and service. Some of their features aren't as advanced or customizable as you would find somewhere else, but when it's all under the same roof at such a great cost with no contracts, it's almost a no-brainer. Again, no monthly fee for their basic plan, no monthly minimum, no contract, cancel anytime. But because they accept a lot of businesses and a lot of different types of businesses, sometimes you might end up being high risk and have your account held or terminated without any sort of warning. So it's important to keep in mind that that could happen with Square. So ideally best for low volume e-commerce or food service businesses with a small average ticket size, great for freelancers taking online payments or micro businesses taking payments on the phone. Again, custom pricing for over $250,000 a year. So if you process more than $250,000 a year, reach out to them to get that custom pricing. If you're a high risk business, don't get your account shut down. Don't go with Square, go with PaymentCloud that I mentioned earlier. But if you want to get started with Square, click the link in the description below or click right here for easy sign up. Coming in at number 4 is Host Merchant Services. Host offers services to both high risk and low risk businesses. They offer month-to-month billing with no early termination fee and transparent Interchange-plus pricing. Again, if you want to learn more about Interchange-plus, click the link in the description below. Interchange-plus is always great for higher volume businesses. So that's why Host Merchant Services will probably be great for a higher volume business because of that fact. Host is also a great reseller of Clover point of sale. They have an almost $15 monthly fee with a few other add-ons. They have a small markup over interchange depending on the transaction type. Obviously, high-risk businesses will pay higher fees, and there might even be a contract too because just generally high-risk businesses have less favorable terms. Host is excellent for high-volume restaurant discounts, especially with Clover POS, because they're a great Clover POS reseller. It's also good for high-risk businesses, particularly web hosts, which is the industry that host merchant services started in. Number 3 is Helcim, a credit card processor with absolutely no monthly fee, which is very rare, and a number of perks for overseas international businesses. Again, another processor that offers Interchange-plus pricing, which is best for higher volumes and higher transactions, although lower volume businesses will be okay with Helcim as well. They offer in-person retail, e-commerce payments, ACH cash discount programs, a lightweight card reader for mobile, and an affordable standalone smart terminal for brick and mortar. Again, I can't stress this enough. It's month-to-month billing, no monthly account fees, exclusive Interchange-plus pricing, fully disclosed on their website. Helcim is great value for low risk, and again, great for higher volume in-person or online sales and offshore or international businesses as well. But if you're high risk or you need full POS system needs, I don't think Helcim is the right option for you. Regardless, if you want to get started with Helcim, click the link in our description below or click up here to get started. Number 2, Dharma Merchant Services, which is an excellent choice for low risk businesses that want Interchange-plus pricing. Again, they also are another Clover POS reseller and probably the most ethical and transparent credit card processor I've ever come across. They also offer a complete line of services like a payment gateway, virtual terminal, B2B processing, recurring billing, a full Clover point of sale hardware lineup, a full line of terminals like Verifone, Ingenico, Deja Vu. They offer month-to-month contracts, and they'll even discount their rates for nonprofits. They have reasonable monthly fees, low Interchange-plus pricing. Again, best for higher volume businesses. If you process over $100,000 a month, Dharma will give you an extra discount, but exclusively for Merchant Maverick customers, regardless of how much you process. Dharma is going to extend that extra discount for you if you sign up through our link below. All right, now we're finally at our number 1 choice, which is Stax. Stax has a unique pricing model called membership pricing, which is basically a single monthly membership fee plus any base interchange fees and a few extra cents on each transaction. To learn more about membership pricing, click the link in our description below. Stax is great, but I will say it's not ideal for every business. You should be processing at least $8,000 per month, and that's where you're going to save money with this membership pricing. It is the most complete integrated payment platform that we've seen with e-commerce, mobile, subscription, inventory management, invoicing, and billing. Stax is also a Clover point of sale reseller. They offer a ton of other smart terminals and readers. They're great for e-commerce and online. They are month to month, no long-term contract, no early termination fee. And again, best for businesses that process at least $8,000 a month. We love them for in-person sales, as a Clover POS reseller, a smart terminal provider, or as a mobile reader. To get started with Stax, click down there or click up here and we'll get you signed up. So there you have it, the best credit card processors for small business. These days, there's an option for everyone. We did the research, so you don't have to, but if you still want to shop around, make sure that you engage in that research. Don't get locked into a contract. Don't overpay for credit card processing. I hope this helps, Mavericks. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks, Mavericks.